And
Sibam
remember one thing,
chest press.
terlalu banyak fake punya machine, counterfeit punya machine, kopit punya machine di pasaran. Gym Paradise never use kopit, never use fake, all genuine and original.
Kita ada juga brand Nautilus dekat sini yang lebih fokus kepada leverage yang berbeza. Okay, jadi contoh kita ada kat sini untuk fokus dekat
You try. Yes, nice.
Yes, very good.
Kid white lats. Outer lats.
Oh, very nice. Ini kita pakai weight very light lah, but
Yeah.
I can feel every sense of my fiber muscle working. Oh, very good, very good, very good. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This one,
The feeling.
high rope. Nautilus high rope. Leverage high rope.
This one.
Ini Sibam punya favorite tau. Kau kena
Sibam
try
punya.
Sibam punya chest press dengan Sibam punya rope. Nautilus.
This one.
Ha.
Oh, wah. Pull out and tarik. Dang. Damn good boys. Very good. I cannot stress enough lah. Korang memang kena try lah Gym Paradise. For now, this one is one of the best gym I can say with the aura, with the vibe yang Boss Branding kita dah tolong set up untuk korang semua supaya bila datang ke gym,
Everything is right.
Everything is right. Itu
Kita
key point
handpick setiap machine. Okay, dia setiap brand dia mesti ada dia punya signature machine. Dia punya best machine. Jadi kita tak nak satu gym penuh dengan satu brand. Dia satu brand tak akan bagus, tak akan expert dengan semua machine.
Yes.
Mustahil. Jadi we only pick the best of the best from every brand around the world. Ya, ini kita punya quality. We have
very
to come.
nice. So
This one Sibam chest press. Sibam chest press.
let's put some
Okay.
plate. 20 Jom.
And
Sibam
remember one thing,
chest press.
terlalu banyak fake punya machine, counterfeit punya machine, kopit punya machine di pasaran. Gym Paradise never use kopit, never use fake, all genuine and original.
Korang dengar sendiri. Okay. Wow. Alright.
Sibam chest press.
Yo.
Ni macam Sibam ah. Come on.
Yes.
Hey.
Oh my god. You see, nampak the angle dia masuk ke dalam. Okay. Dia bukan straight buka keluar. Buka sini keluar.
Converging.
Masuk ke dalam. Very good for your chest. Oh my god. Jadi Sibam aku lepas ni.